you by tonight.
After checking into a new country, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, we decided to head into town to stock up on some provisions. We found tortoises along the way. We went to our favorite fruit lady, Jenny, to stock up on fresh fruits and veggies. They love playing with Rio and Stormer. After getting our last-minute odds and ends, we headed out of Clifton to go to the Tobago Cays. The Tobago Cays is a marine reserve made up of 5 uninhabited islands. It has clear water and great sea life. Stormer enjoyed swinging on the poisonous machinio apple tree, and so did Daddy and Rio. The next day we set out to see some underwater life. Starfish were everywhere, and the Tobago Cays are known for the sea turtles that hang out there. We were lucky with the good visibility in the calm seas. We were able to spot them right away. We even saw a stingray. Stormer is our little fish, and he loved being in the water with the sea turtles, watching them eat on the seafloor. Luke even spotted a peacock flounder. We had a great couple days in the Tobago Cays, lounging on the beach and swimming in the sea. It's paradise.
Goodbye, Tobago Cays. Off to Beckway we go. How you feeling, Daddy?
I'm feeling good. We're doing a nice back way. I'm ready for action. Put the old man light on.
Ready for action, Captain.
Let's go.
Beckway is a cute little island that's very popular with cruisers. This time of year though, it was very, very quiet. Beckway is an old whaling island, and it still has the Aboriginal rights to whale today. It has this cool little boardwalk along the water with a bunch of cafes and restaurants. It even has a talking parrot. And head our way towards St Lucia.
Talk to the camera. Where are we going?
We are going to St Lucia.
So where are we going first now?
St Lucia.
Woohoo! You excited?
And another bay. Yeah.
All right, Rodney Bay. Okay, let's rock and roll, baby.
And we are going to the planet.
All right, there's Mommy and Rio.
That's internet. Woo!
Dinghy's on the deck. We are ready to roll. Goodbye, Beckway.
What's good, Daddy?
Everything's good. Left Beckway. And on our way to St Lucia, Rodney Bay. St Vincent right in front.
For the longer passages, we prefer to do night sails because it's easier on the kids and for both Luke and I. Lucia in record timing. The seas were so flat and calm, it was an awesome sail for us. Very comfortable.
And what a beautiful sunrise heading into Rodney Bay.
We checked in and put our courtesy flag up. We then had to go to the dock to fill up.
After a long sail to Rodney Bay from Beckway, we are now filling up with water and diesel to get the boat ready to rock and roll again for the next few weeks. We take on about almost 300 gallons of water and we only use 15 gallons of diesel, so we're looking pretty good. Show me a pirate. Hey, whoa, whoa, ho, ho. Out of control. Let me see it. What else do you love, son? Look at a small mango. Look at that. Whoa, lucky you, Stormer. This guy's throwing all his extra fruit for you. He's a good guy. We're in Rodney Bay right now, heading over to get Rio his shots, his 6-month shots here. Just let you know that it can be done on the ounce. He's pretty excited about it.
The medical care in the islands are very good. We had both kids via C-section on Caribbean islands. And it's very inexpensive compared to the US.
All right.
He was not happy about his shots. I wasn't either. After the doctors and making sure that Rio had no side effects, we set sail to Martinique. Join us next time as we explore Martinique and all the French goodness.